with another update video. So, let's get started. So, it's Phantom Journal, Night of the Phantoms. The Night of the Phantoms is in full swing with fun parties and awesome adventure, amazing items, and so much more. Be sure to check out all the fun. Okay. Steampunk Parlor Den items. Visit Outback Imports to see the first of the amazing Steampunk Parlor Den items, and be sure to check back often to see the rest of these whimsical items when they arrive. Cool. Be sure to, awesome items. Be sure to check out all the amazing Night of the Phantoms items that are for sale in Jamal's shops. All the candy belong to us. The pets of Jamal have already taken back over 2 billion pieces of candy from the Phantoms. Great work. I'm just gonna say new. A new animal. Boo. Okay. If the rumors are true, then a new animal will soon be coming to Jamal. We don't know exactly which type of animal it will be, but we heard that there might be a clue hidden in Jamal. Can you find it? Okay, then you can get your very own polar bear and exclusive Polar Den items for free when you redeem any Animal Jam retail gift card. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Sorry. I don't know if I don't know where the hint is, because I really want to look and see what the new animal is. Yeah, it'll be pretty cool to check it out. It's hidden in Jamal, so it's not going to be easy. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Wait, do this. Sorry guys, I'm just playing the snake game.